Hey everybody, Marcel here at Tyger Auto. And as you may already know, Tyger's tonneau covers are already a hugely popular product that we've manufactured for many years now. And we're always looking for different ways to cover your bed with style. So we're very pleased to present Tyger's T2 tonneau cover series, which is just like the T1 series, but a little bit different. How are they different? Let me show you why. Two things. First, T2's rails are recessed and hover over the bed space. This allows the cover to be more low profile, giving your vehicle a more sleeker look. Also, this frees up the bed rail area, which allows full access to the stake bed pockets, so that way you can mount more accessories to your bed rails. In terms of installation, it's just as easy as our T1 and T3 models, so let's go ahead and jump into that installation process right now. Before we begin, review the installation manual to know which tools are needed and make sure that all the parts are accounted for. Then, if the front bed rail of your pickup is noticeably lower than the side rails, fill the gap by installing provided weather strip seals to prevent water from leaking in. Begin by taking the passenger side rail first and make sure that the tension plate is to the rear and place it on the bed rail. Now take these clamps and attach the side rails to the bed railing. Make sure that the clamps are biting into the metal railing backside of the grooves on the rail. The clamps should be evenly spaced and have the outside ones closer to the end. Don't over tighten the clamps because that will put too much torque on the rail and could cause the rails to bend. Depending on your model, your package might come with either 4, 6, or 8 clamps total. Also, if you have a vehicle with factory utility tracks like a Toyota, Tyger will include sliding brackets to mount the rails to the tracks instead. Make sure that the tarp is not caught in the connection. It's important to note that the left and right side L brackets are different, so look for the L and R marks onto the bracket. Moving along, unhook the safety straps and roll out the cover along the Velcro tape on the side rails. Keep adjusting the tarp to make sure that the cover is extended along the rails. Otherwise, it'll be difficult to lock it in the end. Now try engaging the locking mechanism. If your cover is installed correctly, the latch head should be horizontally in the groove of the tension plate and not digging too deep into the bed rail. You should hear a clicking sound when you get a good latch. After that, fully stretch out the tarp on both sides to get rid of any wrinkles so it's nice and sleek. Now try closing and opening the tailgate carefully and release the tension plate with the cable to see if everything is working. Don't slam the gate unless everything is in order. The crossbar should arch upwards when you get the maximum tension on the cover. After that, keep the cover closed and leave the tailgate open. Then peek inside to check if any daylight is seeping through, as you will need to apply additional layers of weather strip to fill those gaps. Also, tiny gaps between the tailgate and cover is normal, for which you can also apply more weather stripping. Finally, if you feel you've done everything correctly up to this point, and the latch head still can't reach the tension plate or doesn't stay latched, try adjusting the tension plate offset along the rail by loosening these screws. Before we finish, let's address a frequently asked question on how to care for our covers. Yes, this cover is safe to drive through a touchless car wash. Also, use only soap and water to clean the surface and avoid any abrasive chemicals, as you will be able to enjoy your tonneau cover for many years to come. Hey, thank you for watching. And if you guys like this video, be sure to give us a thumbs up, go ahead and subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that way we can bring you guys more information about Tyger's amazing products.